Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking cards, guys. So for your moon energies, Gemini, this is the card, and for your love guidance, this is the card, Gemini. If you want more clarity, Gemini, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. So let's see what is the card for you all first. Chop wood. So with this card, it just means that in your situation today, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you need to be really grounded, humble, and maybe you have huge dreams, plans for your future. You are aspiring to become something great. But whatever it is, guys, this is the time for you to let all that big dreams to lie dormant and go for simpler things, just like day-to-day activities. So just like a pruning a tree, that is going to help the tree, and that is going to make beautiful blossoms when it is the right time. We should go for mundane acts and let nature take its own course. So today you are asked to be really receptive, see what is happening in your circumstances. When you do that, when you concentrate on your mundane activities, day-to-day work, or maybe even in this relationship, whatever it may be. So when something exciting comes your way, you are just going to feel so happy, feel out of the world. So same way in your relationship, nothing is more important than doing what you do every day. And in your heart of hearts, you must remember that not everything is going to be so exciting, or in your relationship you may not feel like you are taking a roller coaster ride every day. So there may be times when you may feel bored, or you may feel that you do not have anything to do together. That may be something quite boring may be there in your day-to-day, guys. But this is the perfect time for you both to understand each other. Maybe whatever simpler things that you do together, maybe holding hand, just washing dishes, or cleaning your home, whatever it may be, sharing a meal together, reading a book, whatever it is. You need not say anything to that person, but just being together, being present with each other is going to make you feel so happy, and you will feel that everything is going on in the right way. So just being present is going to help you. So the same way in your work situation, guys, maybe when you go for smaller things, maybe instead of working towards huge projects, or maybe your dream projects, or whatever aspirations you have, plans for your future, when you when you do your day-to-day activities with maybe like organizing your workplace, whatever it may be, smaller acts, and being really humble, being really aware of your present situation in your work, you are going to see huge changes. You will know what will work or what will be the right thing, because you will have a better clarity, guys. So now it is the time for you to take smaller steps in your work situation, Gemini. So for your Moon energies, Gemini. We have conclusions are within reach. Full moon eclipse. So maybe in your situation, this just means that just like a door is slammed shut. So maybe some circumstances are reaching a peak and maybe things are now out of hand. But this experience is what you have been destined to, or what you have, signed for, because this is the way our soul will evolve, guys. So just allow events to unfold. That will be easy on you. That is going to be really easy on you. So if you are letting go of someone or something, some object or maybe a circumstance, know that it is the right time. Maybe it is hard, but it is the right time. Forgiving someone for what they did to you could be the key in resolving your situation in a very positive way, guys. It does not make their actions right. It does not tell that they have done everything right and you are the one who has done the mistake, but it just means that you are releasing yourself from all that pain and stress, and you can move on with your life in a positive way. So forgiveness will set you free from this destiny that you are, guys, that is making you go through this painful experience, Gemini. So for your love guidance, we have peacefulness. So it just means that we need to be, or we need to make conscious efforts to be peaceful, find that balance, and try to be more harmonious in our day-to-day life. But only when we go through a lot of strain or stress or pain, sadness, we just want peace, and we realize the worth of peace. But whatever situation may be, guys, maybe we see people confronting us, trying to argue with us, whatever it may be, we should never react. So when we react to the people around us, it is going to make us more sad. It is going to make us emotionally disturbed, and we will lose that peace of mind and that balance. So in our day-to-day living, guys, we need to make it a routine, maybe trying to get back to this peaceful state, trying to feel more harmonious. So that way we will quieten ourselves and we will feel calm and composed. So whatever decisions or whatever actions that come out of this peaceful mind, it's going to be the right thing, guys. So that is the energy here, Gemini, for you all today. Thank you for watching, Gemini. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your pick a card love reading today, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So we will see what is the card for you all. It says the Wild Swans, dedication. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your life, in your personal life, or maybe in your work situation. You are doing a lot, maybe going through a lot for someone you love. Maybe you have sacrificed so much and you have faced your circumstances with that brave heart. And there is no one who knows that extent of sacrifice, extent of your sacrifice, or the extent you have gone through that pain and stress, worries for this person you love. And you have never told anyone about this uh, work you are doing. Maybe you are dedicated to something, that one pointed focus, just like a great scientist or great minds work with that passion to discover something. So you are doing something really passionate with that level of commitment, concentration, dedication, and that you are doing for someone you love. You are going out of the way to do that work. You need not worry, guys, because whatever we do with this level of dedication will never go for waste. So there will come a time when people will appreciate you, people you love, they will understand you, understand your passion. And though it may be perceived as madness today, something that need not be done, and even people may be really hostile towards you, but this passionate action on your part, or it may be someone in your life, they are going for that. So whatever it is, it will result in healing and great breakthroughs in your circumstances, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So maybe today your sacrifice has no value, or there are no people to understand you, but there will come a time when people will appreciate your efforts, people will appreciate your courage and that focus you have, dedication you had today. So that is the energy, guys, with this card. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this second card, it says Sleeping Beauty, Awakening. So in your circumstances, maybe whatever you are facing right now, it may be because of people keeping you away from some information, maybe some awareness. It may be something of someone's doing, maybe someone close to you. It may be a family member, or it may be even your person who loves you. So they are trying to keep away some truth because they feel that you may hurt yourself or you may worry yourself, and by doing that they are creating a very bad situation for you, because you do not know the truth and you don't know what you should or what you should not do, because you lack clarity. So this lack of clarity may be because of some people, because they are keeping something, some kind of vital information from you. And that is the reason you may not be able to overcome some difficult circumstances in your life, maybe in your relationship or maybe in your work situation. These circumstances may be, guys. But very soon you will be able to overcome these challenges and you will know the truth, whatever you need to know. And when you know the truth, all the people around you, even they will realize their mistake, what has happened, and everyone will awaken. There is some kind of great emotional change coming up in your circumstances, guys. So time will tell you the truth today. That is what I see with this card, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.